Again, is it sending any audio? That would be kind of wild if it wasn't sending audio. Let's just test it. Again, is it sending any audio? Okay, it was sending audio. I don't need to worry about that. Okay, take away the starting soon text because we are starting now. Hello, YouTube. Wish I had some music on. I'll turn off the sound here just in case something comes up that makes noise. I don't want that right now. Okay, kind of a teaser on the Googling SaaS application. I'm going to start here with ChatGPT, and I want to build a SaaS application that notifies users of particular posts on Reddit. Where should I start? Let's see what they say. Oh, error occurred. Sometimes I have to reload the page. It's a great idea. Thanks. Remember to consider the security of user data and follow the Reddit API's guidelines when developing your application. Good luck. Yeah, I might need it. Let's make a new repository for this. I'm going to name it, maybe I will name it Curly Octo Pancake. You can always change it later. Might as well make it public. We'll do this in Python. So do a Python get ignore template license. I don't know, MIT license. Notify users about Reddit posts. I don't want top chat, I want all chat. I don't know if it'll make much difference when there's not that much chat, but we'll try it out. Create repository. I already don't like the name. I think I might do a different name. Yeah, let's actually name it what it's going to be. Or you know what, I'll have another repository already. I'll just use this one but start with fresh code. Hold on, I need to sort something out. I'll be right back to that screen. Take these things out of my way. Okay, that feels better. Git clone. Now I'm just going to totally start fresh. R star, but it won't remove the Git history. Yes, I am sure. Also going to remove Maven and remove the .git ignore. Starting fresh. Okay. That looks good. And I'm now going to go into the settings. So I'm going to go back to webcam only because I don't know what sort of things it might show. Change visibility, change to public. I want to make this repository public, yes. This code will be visible to anyone who can visit github.com. Anyone can fork the repository. Your changes will be published as activity. I have read and understand these effects. Make this repository public. They want to make sure you're sure. And they want me to authenticate with a code. So here goes that. In 3, 2, 1, a new code will be ready. Okay. I'll bring you back in now. Is it going to make it easy for the license template. Nifty. MIT public license. What's the MIT license is going to be good. She's going to commit it directly to the main branch, YOLO. Now let's pull that down. That's Reddit notifier. Now write the text for a landing page for this product's website. Here's a sample landing page text for your SaaS application that notifies user of particular posts on Reddit. Welcome to Reddit Notifier, the ultimate tool for staying up to date on Reddit. Are you tired of constantly refreshing Reddit to keep up with the latest posts? Look no further than Reddit Notifier. Gosh, this thing scares me sometimes, how compelling it is. Wow. Okay, now I'm going to put that into an HTML file. Let's them both them index.html. So I'm going to check out this. So that's not what I wanted to do. So delete word, insert Sifty. This is going to be, might as well make this an H1. You know, it even like it defined my business model for me. We offer a free plan that includes notifications for up to 3 subreddits, and our premium plan allows for unlimited subreddits and more advanced notification features. I might do just 1 subreddit on the free plan and maximum of 10 on the paid plan. Already ChatGPT is proving its worth. Not that I paid anything for it, but yeah. Okay, let's wrap this in some p tags. And you know what? This will probably be easier in VS Code. So let's move to VS Code. Let me go off screen for a second, just in case something goes crazy. Do code there. Yes, I trust the authors. I'm actually going to close this window because I want to go up a level. And then do code. Stop. Okay, I'll bring you back into the scene. I know there's a way to do multiple selections here, but we're just gonna do it the easy way. Oops, I don't want this to be a head 1. I want this to be a paragraph. /p. do the formatting and then I'll edit the text. Where's soft wrap? I don't know how to soft wrap. Oh well. Oh, interesting. Prettier did formatting for me. Let's go ahead and reveal in Finder. And where's my web browser? Huh, that's an odd little thing. Fix that. Okay, let's see if I like where this is going. Welcome to Sifty, the ultimate tool for staying up to date on Reddit. Are you tired of constantly refreshing Reddit to keep up with the latest posts? Look no further than Sifty, the perfect tool to stay up to date with your favorite subreddits. Our easy-to-use app lets you specify the subreddits you're interested in, and you'll receive notifications for any new posts that match your criteria. You'll never miss a relevant post again, even if you're not actively browsing Reddit. Sifty is perfect for anyone who wants to stay informed about breaking news, new products, and trends across Reddit. Whether you're a marketer, journalist, or just a casual Reddit user, our app is the perfect tool for you. Our app is user-friendly, and you can easily set up your notifications in just a few clicks. We offer a free plan that includes notifications for up to 3 subreddits, and our premium plan allows for unlimited subreddits and more advanced notification features. I don't have much in mind for more advanced notification features, but we'll leave that there. Our app is secure and we take data privacy seriously. All user data is stored securely, and we follow industry best practices for data protection. Do I know industry data best practices? That seems kind of bold. But I can try to do that. Don't wait any longer. Sign up for 50 today and start receiving notifications for the posts that matter to you. And now, button is a thing, right? Sign up. We have on .ds store. New file .git ignore ds store. Now we should have just, I don't know why .ds store. Now it should say there. Now it says 2. Okay, what next? For some reason, I want to use Google Cloud Platform for this. Even though I wonder if there's anything in there that I didn't want to show. Let's find out. I think it's fine. Bring you back. Yeah, this is the sign up button. Obviously, it's going to need some styling. I'm going to go back to this one. Here's my HTML. Please write CSS to make this look better. Gosh, I'm so lazy. Container, I like this. Do I need to add a container to the... What is dot container? Anyway. Let's just see it in action. I need to link to... Oh, I forgot to do like everything else you're supposed to do on an HTML document. HTML template. Ryan's tutorials.net, that looks plausible. Description, Sifty, name, page. Keywords, I don't need keywords. Sifty. Okay, let's go back to this. Oh, I didn't link the... What did I do? Oh, it's all there. No, I deleted some stuff I didn't want to delete. What did I do? Link RC equals, I think I'm doing this right. L.css. I didn't do it right. MDN link CSS file. Rel equals style sheet. I need the dot slash style.css. Wait a second. Oh, I put it in my root directory. I meant to put it in workspace, whatever. Okay, what am I missing? Oh, it's href. Okay. I feel like it looks like I don't know what I'm doing. That's a little better. But it didn't. Let's do a div here. Class equals main. Close div. Now let's go to our style.css. Is it hashtag main? CSS class select. Oh. That was what that dot was for. Huh, it actually looks like a website. I want this to be centered. Button. That's equal sign up button. Oh, that's nice. It does a different color when you hover it there. What was I gonna do? Oh, I can make the button align. Can I just do align center? How about alignment? Align items. Doesn't help. But I'd like to center the button. Huh. It works. Now, what's a good tool to host this landing page and securely collect email addresses? WordPress. I don't want to use WordPress. Could use WordPress. Lead pages. Let's try lead pages. Jump straight into the pricing plans. Oh, yeesh. I'm not looking to pay that much per month. Cut down your landing page costs. Okay. Free for 15 users, no credit card required. That sounds more like my speed. Oh, and it grows with how many contacts. Well, 250 contacts should be enough to get me started. Sign me up. Name at adrift eric@gmail.com. I'm gonna hide where it shows my suggested strong password. Okay, we can bring it back now. Oh, I also want to hide my phone number, I think. It's not actually live yet, but is that, I wonder if that is optional or not. Okay, sign up. Okay, let's come back to this thing. Password saved, neat. Landing pages. Create landing page. Blank, code my own. Oh, your plan does not support this feature. Ah. Do I have to use your... Okay, what kind of a plan do I... What kind of a plan do I need? $12 per user per month? Oh, but that's not how many contacts you get. You know what? Maybe I can do this myself. What if I want to collect emails myself, possibly using... What are the... Possibly, let's use Flask or Django. Set up your own server. You'll need to set up a web server to handle incoming requests. Flask and Django are both popular Python web frameworks that you can help set you up quickly. Create a form. You'll need to create an HTML form that includes a field for users to enter their email address. You can use HTML and CSS to style the form as you like. Handle form submission. Maybe I do want to let EngageBay do this for me. Content. Heading. isn't it? Maybe I need to have a set. Maybe a setting needs to be within a section. Okay. Do I really want to go through this all again? It's not that bad. Nav bar? I don't need a nav bar. I'm not sure I want to be doing it this way. Let's add a form. Um, MBN one email. Pattern equals dot star dot star dot plus at dot plus at dot plus slash dot dot plus. Size 30, sure, required. Class equal sign up button. Type input type equal button. Slash input. Oh, that's going to need some different styling. Of course, it's not actually going to do anything. Oh, I need to just apply that style to, let's do this. I added this HTML. Please write some updated as if go with it. So let's see about this. Let's just see how it works. It's a little big. And take away the button styling and button hover. I guess input is a self-closing. Oops, what did I do there? Oh, I don't want to double close the form. Oops. Here I already have a decision to make. Do I do mono repo or do I do multiple repos for the different business functions? I'm going to start a fresh one with CDK and call it Sifty CDK on here. Hosting on AWS. So wait, CDK implementation of parts of README, did ignore. We'll just do that manually. License MIT. Workspace GitHub BKAND clone cd CK here. Okay. Oh, you know what? No, this needs to be. What's the? If I do cdk init now, it's going to complain that it needs to be an empty directory. App dash dash language TypeScript. Okay. rm star complete two files, yes. Actually, let's remove the git as well. No, maybe I can keep the git. Welcome to your CDK TypeScript project. The cdk.json file tells CDK Toolkit how to execute your app. This is a blank project for development, for CDK development with TypeScript. Let's do code dot. What was I going to do here? Well, let's do website dist. Just move that over here. And copy these things to here. Form action equals foo. We'll deal with that later. And now I want to open up my, I have another window over here. Pardon me a second. Here's the Cloud Resume front end part. Grab that. From bin. And let's copy a bunch of code from over here. I'll bring you back now. So we have a const acid bucket, and we need to import S3. Then from over here, we have a new S3 deploy. So we need to bring in S3 deploy. I'm not going to think about a certificate right now. Do I need to think about a certificate? I don't know. How long have we been doing this? About an hour? Maybe it's time to get a break soon. I'll start another 30-minute sand timer, and then we'll see what I decide. Maybe I do need to go in and get a certificate. We'll try it just without the certificate. Origins and copy comment out certificate for now. And we can go ahead and output this code for distribution. That'll be convenient. Let's see here. Sifty landing page. Deploy website, that's fine. Sifty landing page distribution. But we don't want domain names as that right now. Eventually that'll be Siffy.com. .net. I don't know why I did .net instead of .com, but whatever. Okay, let's do a control tick. Hide this stuff. CDK and okay, then I need to do AWS SSO login. And for that, I want to be on this profile. That's weird. I don't remember how I was supposed to do that. Go off stream with this. Okay, now we've got that. Oh, I need to, yeah. Gonna hide the profile name even though I'm not sure I need to. That's weird, but okay. bring you back. CDK. Now let's get committed. We got a whole bunch of stuff. I think I want to commit everything. I haven't added anything that I wouldn't want to commit. So git commit -m. Initial CDK commit, git push, CDK deploy. Say yes to the policy changes that it's doing. Export with new distribution ID is already exported by Stack Cloud Resume front-end stack. Okay, 50 distribution ID. Export name 50 distribution ID. Again. And in theory, if I did all this right, we'll have the landing page live on the internet at the ID of the distribution. What I really want is the URL of the distribution. I'll have to look that up in the AWS console, I guess. I know this is like watching paint dry, but thanks for chilling with me. It takes a while to... Let's go on break mode. Stream break, I'll be back. Okay. Okay, that's the. I guess I'm back. Bring the webcam in. See if I can do this so that it's cf dot is it your distribution domain name. Yep. Domain name. So it should not have to work very hard on this deploy. It should just notice that nothing needs to be updated and then output. Oh no. Oh. Need to give it a different name. Oh, should have called this the domain name of the distribution. Domain name. Got it. Let's try that out. Hey, it's live on the internet and it's secure. Neat. So viewer, if you wanted to, you could now go to, oops, you could go to this website and check out the thing yourself. The audio stream bitrate 0 is lower than the recommended rate. That's so weird. Okay, Let's find a tutorial SaaS email sign up landing page examples. Sure. Usually we've got build a landing page for free, Squarespace. I don't really want examples, I want a tutorial. Create a free landing page on a email sign up landing page with Flask. I want to think about Flask versus Django. Flask is famous as a micro framework that is lightweight but extensible. I like the sound of that. We're going to use Flask. Real Python, discover a login page. Okay. Wait, you've got plain text password checking? I don't know if I like this tutorial. But discover Flask, part 1, setting up a static site. Action equals blank, method equal post. Action equals blank, I think, means that it goes to the same. I don't love this tutorial. I just want to be able to listen for let's see. I want to write code in Flask so that a form submission. Maybe I don't want to do it in Flask. Can I use API gateway, Lambda, and DynamoDB to receive sign up requests and save the email to the database? You can configure the API gateway. Okay. And I can use the cloud resume challenge code that I've written before, which I actually don't mind bringing up on screen. This is from Cloud Resume Backend. I don't know if I can do this as a monorepo though. I think I can. I think it'll be fine. So I want to copy all of my imports. I might end up using all of these. So create a new DynamoDB table, create a new IAM role with DynamoDB read positions, also logs, because I want to be able to log my things, create a Lambda function, create a new API gateway REST API, create a new resource and method. Okay. Most of this stuff is going to get copied over into here. Something's wrong. Okay, this needs to go inside of there. Now let's give these things the proper names. Create a CloudFront distribution. Oops, create a CloudFront distribution. Those comments were sure helpful. Create a new DynamoDB table. We're going to call it sift the emails table. Email, we'll call this table name sift the visits table. Call this 50 lambda role. Service principal table.grant read write data to role and role.add policy log groups. Okay, create a lambda function. Simply email write to db lambda function. Sure, that's a mouthful, but it'll work. From assets lambda. So we need to go to the main area and do lambda. Two errors. What do we got? Okay, that's because I deleted some stuff. We'll fix that later. So if you write email to db lambda function, this will be write email to DB, and that lambda is going to have a new name. Hi. We'll deal with writing it later. Not worrying about the post one. New API, REST API, 50 email submission API, REST API name, Sifty email sign up, description, saves Sifty email sign ups to a database. Default pre-flight options, interesting. Okay, all origins. I'm okay with that. Now we did take the lambda function that we created up here. And we paste it in here. No, we paste it in here. Resource email. I'm not interested in having a get thing. So the get integration is gone. Post integration is new API gateway. Lambda integration, Sifty email, write to lambda function, visits.add method post. Okay, next I need to actually write my, wasn't really, well, anyway, that's fine. Set key ID email. So email, we'll start with just email equal foo@fake.com, but actually we're gonna pull that out of there. What did I call it? Email table. Sifty emails. Sifty emails table. I don't need to get an item. I don't need to increment X. Set arbitrary number equals val equals 1. Email saved, yes. So I need to figure out how to wire in parameter. API gateway CDK How do I write the CDK code so that the API gateway picks up the email from the form submission and hands it to the Lambda? Here's an example of how you could write a CDK to create an API gateway endpoint that receives email addresses from a form submission and passes them to an this is nice, but I am writing my endpoint configuration types regional signup integration example application JSON request templates email input params email. Okay, this is looking like this is going to work, but I just want to do it in TypeScript. Actually, it's time for a break, so let's do text back soon, hide the email, and here we go. I'm gonna hide the camera, and here we go. Hello, Sammy. Okay, let's get back into it. And you show that with the C code in TypeScript. Sure, here's an example of the same code in TypeScript. Importing API gateway from that. Okay, my stack, that's the boilerplate stuff. Constant signup handler, I'll give that signup handler to name to the signup handler, signup handler. New Lambda function, Node.js, well, I know it's Python. Lambda code from asset signup handler. Handler equals app.handler. Hey, Sammy. Come back to this. I need to put signup handler there. Then create the API gateway, signup endpoint, Sammy, you're sitting on my hand. Silly kitty. It's an API equals sign up. Oops. API equals sign up endpoint. Sign up endpoint. Endpoint configuration. API gateway.endpoint.regional. Don't know if I need that. Const sign up integration. It's new. Request templates. Integration responses, status code 200. This is under API gateway.lambda integration. Sign up handler. Sign up handler, comma, all that stuff. I don't need that anymore. Got too many of those. Okay. Now, the question is, no, that's not going to help. Okay. I want another export. API, sign up handler, DynamoDB, DynamoDB table, Sifty distribution domain name. This is what I want to do. Sifty email sign up API domain. The domain name of the email. Yeah. Okay, I don't know if it's actually ready to deploy, but let's deploy it. The nice thing about CDK is if you've got your formatting correct, it's pretty likely that the deploy is going to run correctly. Yes, I want to give it those permissions. And then I need to go to this index.html. Action is going to be the URL from the CDK output. Oops, I did that wrong. This is going to be API. Did I call it API? Yeah. Domain name. Why is value? Why did it work up here? Oh, I think I know the problem. Okay, I'll leave that alone for now. Oh, that's totally wrong though. I need to get this output. Okay, ChatGPT. How do I write the CDK code in TypeScript so that CDK will output the domain name of the API? Domain name property of the REST API construct. That's what I was doing, but maybe there's a trick that I missed. Sign up handler is that. Here we go. Cloud app at this sign up endpoint URL. Oh, API.url. That's all it is. Okay. And what I'm hoping is that that URL is stable as long as I don't redeploy the API, so that I can hard code it in my index.html space. Okay, URL. So the idea is to go there /prod, index.html, there /email. Now we deploy it again. This time it'll have to change what it is going to have to change the distribution thing. CDK bucket deployment is updating. That's good. Okay, the CloudFront distribution is here. Now if I do this, I want to do it over here. My email at fake.com. Sign up. And now I need my AWS console, which I'm going to do off screen to start with. Into DynamoDB, tables, get the right region, export items in table, no items, dang. Okay, let's go to Lambda. View CloudWatch logs. Sorry, this is not very exciting. Oh, you know what? Action equals foo. I need to invalidate the cache. So CloudFront D1LPTT. Invalidations, create invalidation, star, create invalidation, in progress. Let's see if this, there we go. My email, let's look at network and see if this does something. Huh. Should be sending out request. Okay, well, let's use HTTP then. HTTP rather. But the command is just HTTP post inspect. Action is going to that place. Question mark email equals my email at fake.com. I might just be doing the form wrong. Wait, what? Maybe I need to quote that. Oh, I don't need. Internal server error. Well, at least it tried to do something. You know what? I think I can show this on stream. I don't think it's a problem. Hey, Taylor says hi in the chat. Hello, Taylor. I was just going to send you a note on. Well, anyway, but hey, hi. Thanks for stopping by. Um, I discovered part of what one of my problems maybe is when I go into, I'm revealing my AWS stuff, but there's no sensitive information here. It's not going to give keys. An error occurred, validation exception while calling update operation. So it sounds like it tried to do action, yeah, table update item. So I just need to look at my sign up handler code. Oh, um, key needs to be email. Email. Okay, that's that problem. Indicate deploy. So for our new viewer who just showed up, I'm gonna give a overview of what's been happening. I asked. Oh wait, where's? Oh yeah, I brought this in, didn't I? I'm okay with that. We'll take that away for now, though. I asked ChatGPT to write a um, landing page for this SaaS, software as a service idea that I had, and it came up with this. Welcome to Sifty, the ultimate tool for staying up to date on Reddit. Are you tired of constantly refreshing Reddit to keep up with the latest posts? Look no further than Sifty, the perfect tool to stay up to date with your favorite subreddits. Our easy-to-use app lets you specify the subreddits you're interested in, and you'll receive notifications for any new posts that match your criteria. You'll never miss a relevant post again, even if you're not actively browsing Reddit. Sifty is perfect for anyone who wants to stay informed about breaking news, new products, and trends across Reddit. Whether you're a marketer, journalist, or just a casual Reddit user, our app is the perfect tool for you. Our app is user-friendly, and you can easily set up your notifications in just a few clicks. We offer a free plan that includes notifications for up to 3 subreddits, and our premium plan allows for unlimited subreddits and more advanced notification features. Our app is secure and we take data privacy seriously. All user data is stored securely and we follow industry best practices for data protection. Don't wait any longer, sign up for Sifty today and start receiving notifications for the posts that matter to you. And now I can put in my email at fake.com and click the sign up button, although that doesn't apparently do anything. I clicked sign up and it didn't send anything in the network thing here. So probably I just did something wrong in my HTML, which I'll get to eventually. But first, let's send another. I have HTTP and I'm sending, I'm going to say this, my email to at fake.com. Going to send that email saved, yes. I don't love that there's a space there. Let's fix that right away. But we don't need to deploy it necessarily. And let's go back to our logs. We have a new one here. And we should be able to go to DynamoDB. Tables, Sifty emails table, or table items. And we've got foo at fake.com with arbitrary number set to 1. That's beautiful. What happens when I click on this? Oh, it opens up the details for that key. Taylor says, interesting premise. Yeah, isn't it? I think it's, so I've built a private version of this for myself that sends me emails from certain subreddits with certain characteristics, and I've stopped checking it because it just sent me too much stuff, honestly, and I just didn't keep up with it. But, you know, I know it's useful for me. It's just, I want to build it for other people now, which is a lot more complicated than just building it for myself. And the first step I decided was to make this landing page. And now the idea is when someone types in their email and clicks sign up, it'll send a request to this URL. I know it's small, but anyway, it's HTTPS F5JBT. I thought it was D1PTT. Oh no, that was the distribution. D1LPTT is the website where you can currently find this thing. But that was anyway, URLs. Now I just need to make it that so that the website actually sends it to there, because currently I can only send it from my terminal. And just to demonstrate that it works, let's wait a second. Oh, I know what's wrong. There's another detail that I didn't do. Right. I've got print event email equals foo@fake.com. I need to parse the email out of the event. So let's look at the log. View CloudWatch logs. And let's print the event. Accept encoding, CloudFront. God, there's a lot of stuff here. Resource email, path email. Let's do some IPython with this. Is IPython available here? Neat. S equals 123. Import JSON. J equals JSON dot load S of S. Oops. How about read S? No, it's load S. But maybe quote equals. How about import pprint? Print PPR. There we go. That's better. Okay. Headers, accept encoding, deflate. Let's find at. Here we go. Query string parameters. Wait, why is it? Huh. That's confusing. Anyway, let's just do this the old-fashioned way. So we're inside of resource, we're inside of headers, except we got more headers, we got more headers, we got more headers. Multi-value headers, except query string parameters. Gosh, it would be so much easier if I could. Python, JSON, load S, single quotes. Okay, so I just need to replace S doubles with S dot replace single quote with double quote. JSON J equals JSON dot load S S doubles S doubles. Oh no. What's wrong now? Did I miss something when I copied it? Well, I could just what if I highlight all of the expecting value line 1. Let's just assume that this is a base level key, right? If I can find the closer to that one, it's right there. Okay, so this is at the lowest level of there. So I just need to write event query string parameters email. Email equals event query string parameters. I'll still print event for the logging goodness of it. And now let's do CDK deploy. Wonder how long this one will take. Oh, I need to log in again. Okay. CDK deploy. There we go. Now let's exit here. Post another my email 3 at fake.com. Email saved, yes. Cool. My email 3 at fake.com. Woohoo. All right. So it's on the internet. The next step is to get it to be live at the right at the actual domain sifty.net, which I own on a different AWS account. Although I'm bothered by the fact that I couldn't parse that JSON thing. I feel like these ones should be in quotes. Although, you know what I can do is print json.dump_s event. Then it'll print it in a JSON, because it was printing it in Python syntax. That's the problem. That's why it was doing single quotes. That's why it was okay. I don't know if I'm gonna actually deploy this now, but So let's git commit -m sign up site database. Although it's not quite there yet. Let's call it work in progress WIP. And just for fun, if you want to, you can go to github.com/siftycdk and you would see all of this code. Oh, I should make an actual README instead of this stuff. Let's fix that now. Sifty deployed by CDK. Git commit. README. Git push. Okay, what's the next thing? The next thing is HTML form submit. I've heard bad things about W3 schools, but whatever. All right, where's the form radio buttons? I don't care about radio buttons. I want input type equals submit, value equals submit. I don't know if that matters, but oh. So that's where I have to do it. Action equals, that's all okay. But I'm label for equals submit sign up. Do I want an exclamation point? Yeah, I want it to be exciting. Okay, ID equals submit. Let's try this. Git git commit -m update sign up form HTML git push CDK deploy. For the people watching at home, I'm sure this has been moving pretty quickly, but do you have any questions on it? Actually, while that goes, I'm going to go on my window here. Actually, I didn't have to deploy this to test it. I could just test it locally at this point because it's just a static HTML site. Reveal in Finder. Except I want to open it over here. Oh, it's already actually there. My email or at let's see if this does something. I don't want it to actually show the website. And it didn't. Oh, that's really annoying, like on multiple levels. Maybe I have to. Where was I? So how come when mine does it, it doesn't? Also, did it save it to the database? That's the first question. No, it didn't, because it didn't. Mark email equals my email 5. If I do it this way, it's still going to say missing authentication token, but what if we go back to DynamoDB and look for the... No, it still doesn't. But this one works, right? My email 6@fake.com. So it's just a matter of massaging the form into... I want to see a tutorial. No, I want to do it with HTML. I want to do it with HTML. Form action equals slash action page dot php. I don't like this one. Not an email newsletter. Landing page tutorial HTML. I don't care about the nav bar, how to style the nav bar, I don't care. How to make the hero section, I don't care about that. How to make the about section, I don't care about that. How to style the lightbox. I don't care about that. How to style the stakeholders section. How to make the email subscription section. How to style it. But what happens to how do I write the HTML for the form submit that will submit the email the user entered? Error occurred. This is what happens when I leave it open too long. SaaS Reddit notifier. New question. Emailed by the user of the form, you can add a button with the type submit inside the form. Here's an example. Form action equals /subscribe. Method equals post. Comment out all of that. Save this. Action equals that. Okay, now let's go to my where's my go. My email 7@fake.com. I think we're on to like 7 now. Inspect network. Sign up. Wait a second. This isn't up to date. Form. Revealing Finder. This up. it didn't send the email. Unless I need to give it an... I gave it a real thing. It equals email. Email at email.com. See, it should be saying question mark email equals email3 at email.com. What am I missing? Oh, maybe I need to give it a name. No, it has a name. Yeah, email. Oh, I don't want it to say subscribe either. It's not going to make a difference. It's still going to fail. I was going to do that. Do that right now. Why won't it? What if I do it just /subscribe? includes my HTML and I load when I click the submit button. The browser goes to this URL. Doesn't include the query parameters. It doesn't include any query parameters. Why not? Request body. Oh. Huh. So maybe that's been actually working all along. Or maybe not. Hey, it printed it for me. Yeah, query string parameters no, because it's in the body. Do I access the email address which is in the request body with a Python lambda function? Event parameter. This parameter contains both the details of the rest, including the HTTP method, headers, path parameters, query string below the request body. Event body email. But I printed the event. Where's body? There it is. Oh, it's encoded. Okay. Email equals that. Okay. Now do I need to deploy that. Time for a break. Mm. Okay, it's out there in the world. It's deployed. Me2 at email.com. Let's do me3. Internal server error. Darn. Where did that window go? Oh, that was that window. Maybe I'm not supposed to do JSON decode on that. I don't know. I didn't really understand why it was doing JSON load because it's a Python. The event is a Python object. So event body email. Okay, deploy again. Another internal server error. I know it's not going to be in there, but I just want to look there first. String indices must be integers. So instead of getting oh, that's why it thought it needed a load S. Uh, but that wasn't working. Index equals body dot find equals return body at index plus 1 the end dot replace percent 40. It's so hacky, but let's try it. Okay. Email.com. Hey, email saved yes. There we go. Me3 at email.com. So that means, I think, that I can go to here and say my email 4 at fake.com. I don't know if that's in the 43 at fake.com. Uh-oh. Oh, it's not. I need to invalidate the cache. Wah. Front. Might be worth setting up CI/CD so that it invalidates the cache every time. With /star, create invalidation. Okay, let's go back to here. Me 227 email.com. Let's do it. Email saved, yes. That was me22 at email.com. So if we go to items, me220, oh, it was me227 at email.com. Right. Well, next up, I think it would be really fun if one of my loyal viewers, oh, that's not the one. Where did I put it? Here it is. Would go to this address and put in an email. It can be a fake email. It doesn't have to be a real email. But if anyone does that, let me know in the comments what email you submitted so I know to look for it in the database. Because I think that would be exciting if someone from the actual internet actually submitted the thing. So while you're thinking about that, I'm going to put in an MFA code on another thing. Is this the one? How do I use Route 53 to re-traffic from domain.com to abcdefg8.cloud? What is the .cloud from .net? Yeah. Okay. Create a new record set for your domain. In the name field, enter the root domain for. Oh. Might take it some time to work its way through. It's not quite working. I don't know why that one is there. I believe that. But the CloudFront is something different than the domain registration. The account where your CloudFront distribution is located. Create a new CloudFront origin access identity. Cute, it used A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 8. So I've set up a CNAME record from info.septi.net to the D1LTPTT thing. And it's not working yet, but I don't know if that's because it won't work or because it's just taking time for the DNS stuff to propagate. But I guess I can work on something else. I'm going to take a short stream break. Okay, we're back. Let's think about what to work on next. Actually, first I want to check info.sifty.net. No, I didn't do that right. Let's work a little bit more on that. Actually, maybe I'm done for tonight. It's kind of late. Yeah, let's call it there. If I just can't stop myself, maybe I'll be on again later tonight, but I think it's better that I take it easy. So, thanks for watching.